Rood Approach is based on interpretation by accomplished physical and occupational therapists. Despite some controversy about the Rood technique, current neuroscience research continues to support the importance of sensory stimulation. The basic assumption of Rood theory is that appropriate sensory stimulation can elicit specific motor responses. Rood combines controlled sensory stimulation with a sequence of position and activities that replicate normal autogenic motor development.
The first four positions I'm going to be demonstrating is going to be the supine withdrawal, the rollover towards sideline, the pivot prone, and the neck contraction. Alrighty, going into the first one, it's going to be your supine withdrawal.
Supine withdrawal is a total flexion response towards the navel. This position is protective. Supine withdrawal is a mobility posture that requires reciprocal innervation. It also requires every work of the proximal muscles and trunk. Rood recommend this pattern for patients who do not have reciprocal flexion pattern and for those who are dominated by extensor tone. The next approach is the rollover towards sideline. When the patient rolls over, the arm and leg flex on the same side of the body. Rollover is a mobility pattern for the upper extremity and lower extremity, and activates the lateral trunk musculature. This pattern is encouraged for patients who dominates by reflexes and who need segmental movement of extremities. The next approach is called the pivot prone, which is the prone extension. This pivot prone position demands a full range of extension of the neck, shoulder, trunk, and lower extremity. This pattern has been called both a mobility pattern and a stability pattern. This position is difficult to assume and hold. It plays an important role in preparation for stability in the upright position. The last position is the neck co-contraction. Neck co-contraction is the first real stability pattern. It is used to develop head control and stability of the neck. This pattern is necessary to raise the head against gravity.
The next four autogenic poses I'm going to be showing you is on elbows, all fours, static standing, and walking.
Neck on elbows, prone and elbow, following co-contraction of the neck and prone extension. Weight bearing on the elbow is the next position to achieve. This pattern helps develop stability in the scapula and glenohumeral region. This position gives the person a better view of the environment and opportunity to shift weight from side to side. All fours. The quadrille position develops stability of the lower trunk and legs. Initially, the patient holds the position, eventually weight shifting forward and backward, side to side, and diagonally is added. The weight shifting may be preparatory for balance responses. Static standing. Static standing is thought to be a skill of the upper trunk because it frees the upper extremity for prehension and manipulation. At first, weight is equally distributed on both legs, then weight shifting begins. This position requires high-level integration, such as maintaining and achieving balance. The last one, walking. Walking unites skills and mobility and stability. Walking is a complicated process that requires coordinated movement patterns of the various parts of the body.
There are four basic principles of treatment. The first principle is that reflexes can be used to assist or retard the effects of sensory stimulation. The second one is that sensory stimulation of receptors can produce predictable responses. And the third one is muscles have different duties. The fourth principle is that heavy work muscles should be integrated before light work muscles.